Right, living in Zimbabwe, trying to make ends meet, and then Zesa happens. And this is what becomes of somebody's hustle. Even if you want to make pet feed, the refrigerators cannot cope because they are getting a maximum of some 6 hours or so of electricity. So no refrigeration is taking place. So this is my profit from my attempt to survive Zimbabwe. All lost. Yeah. I'm trying to salvage something for my dogs. I don't know if I will succeed. This is a 300-liter drum, 200, 300. It's filled with chickens that I must dress for the dogs. So this is it. You try again, but shit happens all the time. But I know my dogs are going to enjoy. My dogs are going to have a good time. Hey, get away! I'm trying to dry up the meat using salt. Very soon I'll go and buy some vinegar and hope that something good would come out of it. Otherwise, if it doesn't happen, I'm just going to bury the meat. But I tried.
So in this case, we need to see the government of the Republic of Zimbabwe taking some measures to make sure that they deal with the problems our people are facing. So many people have been doing business rekutengesa huku rekuita se and they were keeping nyama yavo mafridges, and it's happening, guys, kuti people are making losses. Urungwa na fridge yakuno kana wanga uchitengesa nyama urungwa na zvinhu zvakuno. That is what is happening. So honestly speaking, these are losses which are being caused by incompetence. Wikinochivai was given money kuvaka solar plant ku Gwanda. What happened to that money? So we need to ask this government to say, do they know what needs to be done? Are they willing to do what needs to be done? So if they are not willing, what do we need to do? We need to vote them out. We need to register to vote. Make sure that when we vote them out. We put in place competent people who are going to deal with the problems we face as a nation. We cannot have businesses losing from incompetence.